Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. I'm Marty, and today we're going to be changing the bonnet struts of my own personal Toyota Aurion. It's a 2009 Presara model and they're messed up. So let's start by opening the bonnet and I'll show you what it's doing. So this should apply to pretty much any vehicle known to man. The struts will be different, the mounts will be different, but the concept is the same. So that's about as far as mine goes. Not cool, right? Alright, so this is what we are changing today. These things here. On this car there are two of them. I'm just changing them both. Okay. These are what I got from eBay. Standard replacement gas struts. And they come with two adapters for the ends. One of them's got a kink on it and one of them is flat. So on mine I can see that up top here, oops, I can look at it properly, this one's got the bend in it, it goes that way, and the bottom one is flat. So I want to put my bend piece, which is this one, on the top. Now generally speaking, most people will tell you that gas strut goes that way around, okay, but even on this diagram down here it actually says that this should be higher when the gas strut is closed. Now in this car, the strut leans downwards, so we're just going to do what they suggest. Alright, let's put our top piece on. And our bottom piece. Okay. You might as well do the same with the other one while we're at it. Okay. Straight on the bottom. And bent on the top. Alright. Done. Not quite. Okay, I personally have found that the best way to get these things off is using a hook tool. Okay, so I'm basically going to hook it on the top here. I'm not sure if you'll see it in the shade, but basically all of these have got a metal clip around the edge, which is their locking points. All we're going to do is basically pull this out just enough to remove it. Okay, so I'm going in the top for this one. Give it a bit of a pull, not too far, and while I'm doing it I'm pushing up on here and it just releases it. Pretty cool. We'll do the same with the bottom one. Again, just enough to loosen it. Alright, so there's the sign that I was saying before. Basically says tube up when closed, and it's because when the bonnet's closed it is actually facing down. Alright, you will notice that I still have one strut in place. This one's missing. I'm lucky enough in this car that one strut will hold it up. With cars with only one, you will need something to prop the bonnet up. They are quite heavy without the gas struts. Alright, putting it on, it's just a matter of lining up and giving it a tap. And the same at the top. Spin it around where it needs to be and boom. Alright, let's go around and do side two. Pop that one off. Pop that one off. Nice and easy when you know how, isn't it? One and two. So, all going to plan. This should close a lot more easily. Beautiful. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.